Good morning, partners. As we said last Sunday that we will be digging up the foundation of the church. As you can see, we have started the job. We are digging up. So we need your support. Bamala share South Africa oko. Mwalera ndokwe bati tulefu atule ishibopo tulendera. Mwalera ndokwe tulefu atule ishibopo tulendera. So mulimo na utampako nga namona every corner bali abale bomba na mashave onomba patu alatampo kufumia. So we need your support not to kwikala fe basimfukwe na bonse nderumbula ko mweba nshupa sana mwebo nderumbula basimfukwe baposi mfukwe na mumfupo tulera ndapa mulimo na utampako hapa. So we need your support, your contribution. Tulefuka nomba penshimbi sha kubikamo nga maposa fe nanguishi liteni baposi mfukwe nishi at least mwasoti lesa mipale sana bonse ba gift uko muri South Africa uko na mmone nchito na itampiko wako kuno na bonse ama partners abafyashi kukitwe